we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty plant caddy. List number 1. CHOCLAIF plant caddy with wheels. The plant stand is strong enough to hold up to 530 pounds, 240 kg plant. The surface of the rolling plant caddy is frosted to increase friction with the bottom of the planter, ensuring that the planter will not topple over during movement. The internal height of the saucer tray is 1 inch deep enough so it can practically catch and hold the overflow. The base of the rolling plant stand is equipped with 5 steel ball solid rubber universal wheels, which have a carrying capacity far exceeding ordinary plastic wheels, and there is no dead angle in rotation. List number 2. LITADA metal plant caddy. Durable steel construction to stand up to wear and tear. Featuring a classic powder-coated steel finish can allow for a weight up to 150 pounds. Powder-coated steel is incredibly sturdy metal type to make sure it not break or deform, and no rust while it is outside in the balcony or garden. Perfect size 12 square caddy can hold any size pot, small, medium, and large. The plant stand indoor is high-quality wooden thick that makes it can bear heavier plant pots. Heavy-duty metal casters wheels with long life 360-degree rotating allows for 150 pounds. This outdoor plant stand is designed with. List number 3. WEIBIDA plant caddy with wheels. This planter base with wheels is size adjustable, so it can be widely used for moving many types of heavy planters indoor and outdoor. This plant caddies is made of high-quality ABS panels, stainless steel tubes, and dual-locking twin wheels, moving smooth and labor-saving, safe and reliable. It would be a good helper for garden management. Will support up to 440 pounds if planter is positioned evenly over wheels. 306-sided rotatable twin wheels with locks make the plant stand easy to move around your home/indoor/outdoor freely. List number 4. MORITIA adjustable plant stand 15 to 20 inch with wheels. Adjusted by pullable buckle from 15 inches to 20 inches, rather than troublesome screw fixing. Suitable for many flower pots. Max load up to 440 pounds. Made of durable non-toxic ABS material and stainless steel, maintain good stability under extreme conditions and humid environment. 306-sided rotation wheels help you move your planter freely, and 4 casters all include brake switch to keep the dolly in position. List number 5. Planter caddy heavy-duty plant stand. A plant caddy absolutely strong and heavy-duty. With it you can easily move your heavy plant anywhere. Its saucer is made of GFRP, almost the same strength and hardness as steel. No rust, no deformation. Grid-like saucer up to Tucum with strong carrying capacity. 4 black wheels adopt powerful steel bracket, 360-degree turning freely. 2 of them have locking brake. Their PU tires will never scratch your floor. Not only used for moving garden pots and heavy plants, but also whiskey barrels, household appliances, and other heavy things.